do basic figures. What I recommend to learn in cha-cha first. So I recommend to learn number one movement, basic in place. Goes like this. So basically we're just gonna transfer weight in place with the timing of cha-cha. 2, we transfer weight on count 3, and then we have a cha-cha 1. And again we repeat 2, 3, cha-cha 1. So the timing of cha-cha-cha is 2, 3, 4, and 1, or 2, 3, cha-cha 1. On each of this number, we're gonna change weight. So we change by what it means changing weight. So now I'm standing on my right foot. Now change weight. See, this leg is free. I'm standing on my other foot. So as we change weight, we're gonna count. We will say 2. We will say 3. We will say cha-cha 1. We say 2. We say 3. We say cha-cha 1. So this is step number 1, basic in place. Step number 2, you want to do side basic. So it's going to look like this. 2, 3, and then we go side cha-cha. Cha-cha, side, and again we go 2, 3, side, cha-cha, cha. So now we know already 2 movements. So basic in place, 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. We'll do it 2 times. 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. And now we know side basic. It goes the same. We use basic in place as a beginning, 2, 3, and then we have a side chasse. Cha, cha, 1 and 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. Second step is going to be same basic in place, but we're going to use a rock steps. So you go rock, step, cha, cha, side. We have a rock step forward, rock, step, cha, cha, side. And again, so what it means rock step. So basically we take a step back and we immediately rocking back to where we came from forward. So we have a little bit this rocking motion rather than have this continuous feeling. So we're just rocking. So we add 2 rocks. So we go backward rock, rock, step, cha, cha, side, and we have forward rock, rock, step, cha, cha, side. So let's combine those 3 movements together. We have a 2, 3, cha, 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 2, 3, cha, 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 basic side, 2, 3, cha, cha, side, 2, 3, cha, cha, side, with the rock step, 2, 3, cha, 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 and a 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. So how to make this look much better and more beautiful, more effective? So let's go through our, besides all the body actions and activity, which we're going to learn a little bit later, but the basic, most fundamental, of course, you want to introduce a natural turnout to every foot, every step you take. So when we do basic in place, we want to make sure our feet is not parallel, not turned in, but have a natural turnout. And in this case, you can actually have your 2 heels down, but make sure you have a natural turnout as you do a natural basic, the basic in place. 2, 3, cha, cha, 1, 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. So now when we go inside chasse, also maintaining natural turnout in our feet. 2, closing foot, 3, and side. So maintaining natural turnout, so we don't want to have our feet in. And the same as we proceed to the next, basic in place, 2, 3, now we step side, cha, natural turnout, cha, cha. Exactly the same with the rock step. So when we go into the rock step, once we already learned the movement, we try to maintain the natural turnout in our feet. So when we're rocking, we have a beautiful angles. We don't have them turn in. So you're going back 2, 3, side, cha, 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 and 2. The same for the forward rock, because very often I see this foot going this way, and it's not very attractive, and it's actually not following the principle number 1, which is supposed to be a natural turnout in our feet. Okay, so we got that down. So let's go to level 2, is our footwork. So as we mentioned before, our footwork when we do Latin, it go toe, ball, heel. So let's try to have as much as possible this footwork. So as we start here at the beginning, we, instead of having 2 heels down, we can actually have a little bit ball heel footwork as we're going from ball heel 2, ball heel 3, ball heel, cha, cha, cha. And here, when you're in place, it's literally impossible to have a toe ball heel. So we will do only ball heel here. Technique, footwork, 2, 30, cha, 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 and again, footwork, 2, 30, cha, cha, cha. Now, as we move side, we can have introduce a little bit more. Toe, ball, heel action, cha, toe, ball, and here is now recommended to put heel down, so we're gonna have toe, ball, keep your foot on the ball, other foot comes on the ball of the foot, so you have 2 heels up, and then we push from our left leg in this case, 1, and here as we release, make sure the foot which going to the side has a natural turnout, plus has a toe, ball, heel footwork, so we're not just going flat. Toe, ball, heel. And now the same here, as I invite this leg by using my hip, see my foot goes toe, then ball, heel, 2, 30, cha, cha, cha. And now exactly the same, we can go through every step, but let's go to the principle number 3 already, which is having a correct posture. So let's review what is correct posture. It's your tummy in, chest forward and up, knee back, knee back. So once we have this correct posture, we can actually do already 3 principles with our beautiful steps. We can have basic in place, and we can have natural turnout, the correct footwork, plus the posture. We can do side basic, and here you see we'll have this, maintain that beautiful posture as we continue doing our step with our correct footwork. And especially for our rock step, when you go 2, we don't want to get into this position. We want to have our tummy in, chest forward, knee back, 30, cha, cha, 1, and that's why I stay sideways so I can see myself and you can see this posture. It feels a little bit not comfortable at the beginning because you want to go just in a relaxed way. By setting up yourself for that beautiful posture, it's going to be a great beginning of your journey to learn how to dance more beautiful. Okay, stay tuned for more and see you at the next lesson.